As my next independent art project, I'll show you a game I created. I attended a computer graphics and design class where we made our own video games. I designed the look of this game as well as programmed all the movements and decisions the computer has to make, and added the background and characters. Basically, we learned the software from scratch, making a game of our own creation. As you can see, the main character is an anglerfish. He's going through a maze, and as you can see, he's underwater, showing bubbles going from where he's swimming. You can also see to the left that these are the components that are in the games, such as audio triggers or delete triggers that will do things such as play an audio clip or delete certain objects from the game. In this game, your aim is to collect a coin that's hard to collect because it's very small. You're going through a maze trying to find it, and there are many different passageways and dead ends to find that will lead you in the wrong direction.